How to recover your Wise account locked out of your Wise account? Don't worry, here's how to get back in. First, go to Wise login page and click on Forgot Password. Enter the email link to your Wise account and click Continue. Wise will send a reset link to your email. Open that email and click on the link. You'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure it's strong and unique. Once you confirm your new password, return to the login page and sign in with your new details. If you no longer have access to your registered email, click on the Can't Access Your Email option for alternative recovery steps. Have you recovered your account successfully? Drop a comment and let me know. And that's how you can recover your Wise account. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.